The coldest place on Earth. Did you know Antarctica is the only continent with no permanent human habitation? However, there are permanent human settlements where scientists and support staff live for part of the year on a rotating basis. Antarctica is also the coldest place on Earth. The average temperature in Antarctica in the winter is minus 34.4 Celsius. That's minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature in the center of Antarctica is much lower than the temperature on the coasts. The lowest temperature ever recorded in Antarctica was minus 39.4 Celsius. That's minus 129 Fahrenheit. The highest temperature ever recorded in Antarctica was 15 Celsius. That's 59 degrees Fahrenheit. So it could be up to negative 129 degrees in the winter. In the hottest, only 59 degrees. And that's why it's the only continent without permanent human habitation. While the rest of the planet enjoys 4 seasons, summer, winter, fall, spring, Antarctica only has 2 seasons, summer and winter. Antarctica has 6 months of daylight in its summer and 6 months of darkness in its winter. The seasons are caused by the tilt of the Earth's axis in relation to the Sun. The direction of the tilt never changes, but as the Earth orbits the Sun, different parts of the planet are exposed to direct sunlight. During summer, Antarctica is on the side of the Earth tilted toward the Sun and is in constant sunlight. In the winter, Antarctica is on the side of the Earth tilted away from the Sun, causing the continent to be in dark. Antarctica is considered a desert because it receives very little rain or snowfall. The small amount of snow that does fall does not melt but builds up over hundreds and thousands of years to form large, thick sheets. Antarctica's terrain is made up of glaciers, ice shelves, and icebergs. Antarctica has no trees or bushes. The only plants that can survive the extreme cold are lichens, mosses, and algae. And of course, since nobody can live there, there are no cities or states in Antarctica, meaning there are no countries. Only research stations. Dozens of research stations, some year-round and others seasonal, operate in Antarctica under the guidance of around 30 individual countries. Another fun fact about Antarctica is there are no indigenous people of Antarctica. Even the Earth's most wildest places have been able to nurture an indigenous human population at some point. Not so with Antarctica. It was not until ages after the Antarctic continent separated from the larger landmass of Gondwana land, breaking off from South America and Australasia, that anything even resembling Homo sapiens walked the Earth. So as long as this planet has been here, the continent of Antarctica has never been inhabited here, and it most likely will never be inhabited here. It's the coldest place on Earth. It is also the windiest, driest, and highest continent. Anyway, there's a couple fun facts about the continent of Antarctica. I hope you learned something new. This is Trajity. Thank you for watching. I'm Mal.